In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can do some simple sum calculations within Phocas budgeting and forecasting. In this example, we're going to budget our retail revenue within Australia. Now, my sales within retail in Australia are generated by two different stores. So rather than creating the calculation external to the budget and importing it into Phocas at the end, we can do the calculation within the product to keep our workings all within inside the product so we can see how we got to the final value there. So we click on the plus sign on our retail sales account and select sum line in this case. We do it once more to get our two different lines for our two different stores. Store 1 and store 2. Now we just fill out our budget as we normally would. I think that store 1 is going to do $1.2 million per month. So just like we saw previously, I can fill that out, I can right click and I can copy forward, and there is our budget for that year for that store. Similarly, store 2, I might say that store is going to do $1.3 million per month. Again, right click, copy forward, and now what you'll see is it's created a total for us at the bottom, $30 million worth of sales, $2.5 million per month across the page. Now all I need to do is minimize that, and that will be our budget moving forward. Notice, because this is a sum line, I can't edit that $2.5 million. I'll need to actually open up my calculation to then make the change of that $2.5 million because it's made up of two individual lines. So that's how you create a simple calculation within Phocas budgeting and forecasting. Thanks for watching.